In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dropbox in N8N. We'll go through the full setup process from inside N8N, connect your Dropbox account using OAuth, and then test the connection to make sure everything is working properly. If you want to use Dropbox in automations like file uploads, backups, or syncing files between apps, this setup is the foundation you need. First, open N8N. You can do this whether you're using a self-hosted version or the cloud version. Log into your account, and once you're on the dashboard, either open an existing workflow or create a new one by clicking Create Workflow. It doesn't matter which option you choose as long as you're inside the workflow editor and ready to add a node. Next, add the Dropbox node. Click the plus button to add a new node, then use the search bar to look for Dropbox. Once it appears, click on the Dropbox node to add it to your workflow. This is the node you'll use to connect N8N with your Dropbox account and perform actions like listing files, uploading files, or downloading content. Now you need to create Dropbox credentials. To do that, go to the Dropbox Developer Console in your browser and log in to your Dropbox account. From there, open the App Console and click Create App. When Dropbox asks what type of access you want, choose Scoped Access. Then select App Folder, which is usually the recommended option for most N8N use cases because it keeps access limited to a dedicated app folder in Dropbox. After that, click Create App. Once the app is created, copy the app key and the app secret. These will be used to connect Dropbox to N8N, so make sure you're copying the correct values from your app settings. Go back to N8N and open the Credentials section. Click New Credential, then choose Dropbox OAuth 2 API. In the credential form, paste the app key into the client ID field and the app secret into the client secret field. Then click Connect OAuth 2 account. A Dropbox login window should appear, where you'll sign in and allow access. After approval, N8N should complete the connection. To test the setup, return to your workflow and open the Dropbox node. Choose an action such as list files, upload file, or download file, then click Execute node. If the node runs successfully, your Dropbox connection is working. At this point, you can start building automations like uploading files from forms, backing up files from Google Drive to Dropbox, saving email attachments, or syncing files between apps. If something doesn't work, check a few common issues. If OAuth fails, make sure the redirect URL from N8N has been added to your Dropbox app settings, and confirm you use the correct app key and secret. If you see a permission error, enable the required Dropbox permissions, including files.content.read and files.content.write. And if the node still won't connect, reconnect the credentials in N8N and refresh the workflow.